How to add notes on your Instagram profile from PC. What's up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily add notes on your Instagram profile from your PC. But before beginning, make sure to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's begin. First thing first, you want to head over to your web browser and head over to Instagram.com. Make sure that you are logged into your account. So as you can see here, you don't see your profile on the home screen on your PC. So in order to add notes, what you will have to do is right click on any of these blank spaces here, click on inspect, and make sure to toggle this option on. So you will see this little icon where it indicates PC and a small mobile phone. Click on it, and from here you can choose any of the devices to match its dimensions. So click right here, and once you get here, all you have to do is, as you can see, you will get your profile here. Tap on your profile at the bottom right corner as you are using your phone, and here on your profile you will get an option of notes. So if you want to add any kind of note, you can type right here using your keyboard, and if you want to add emojis, you can do that as well by clicking right here. You should be able to add emojis. So tap on share, and you should be able to add notes from your PC. If you found this helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next one.